So there are only two things that you can control in this world, and that is your emotions and your perspective. And they're actually two of the same, really, because if you have a low perspective, then your emotions are going to tell you about that. If you have a high opinion of yourself or a high perspective of yourself, then your emotions are going to reflect that as well. So they're two of the same, but that is the number one thing that you can actually control. You can't control other people, you can't control other people's perspectives, and you can't control lots of things. But if you can control your mood and your perspective, then you can literally attract to yourself anything that you want. And that is literally the secret to manifestation. Your mood and your attitude is a vortex that is swirling around you constantly, and it shifts and changes based on your mood. But if you decide, if you make the commitment and set the intention that your number one goal is to have a dominant vibration of positivity, of happiness, of appreciation, of joy, of love. Love is a great one. If you can decide that this is going to be my dominant thought, my dominant mood, my dominant attitude and vibration, then that's literally, I want you to imagine it like a pink swirling mist flowing around you. That's when you're feeling love and appreciation and joy and gratitude. And then I want you to imagine that whenever you choose, because it is your choice, because it is a decision, to feel like shit and to focus in a way that isn't in alignment with that high perspective, then I want you to imagine it like a black inky mist coming off of you, and it is each one of them is magnetic. The pink mist is magnetic and the inky mist is magnetic, and it's drawing more pinkness to you or more blackness to you. My point is, start to visualize what vibration and mood that you have swirling around you, because that is literally your attraction power, and the universe is lining you up and matching you up with whatever it is that you're about in that moment, and whatever is swirling around you is coming to you more. So pay attention to your mood and your perspective, because those are the only things that you can control. And if you can control that, then you're home free, because the only reason that we ever want anything is so that we can feel better. So feel better first, and everything else will fall into place.